Hello and welcome. In this video I will show you how to create a Flask app and deploy it on your server using Applico. Open your terminal and create a directory for your Flask app and switch to this directory. Create and activate a Python virtual environment. Install a few libraries using pip: Flask, SQLAlchemy, Postgres adapter and Gunicorn. Save the list of installed dependencies to the file requirements.txt. Open your code editor and create a file app.py. Import OS module, Flask and SQLAlchemy related objects. Create a Flask app instance. Set up the database connection and ORM configuration using SQLAlchemy. Create a model for the database table messages. Initialize the database. Add a post endpoint for submitting messages to the database. Add a home endpoint. And run the Flask server. Save the file and create a new one called .gitignore. .gitignore file is needed to exclude unwanted files from being added to Git repo. Save the file and go to the terminal in the project directory. Initialize a Git repo, add all files, and make the initial commit. Go to github.com and create a new repository. Select and copy the line git add remote origin. Go back to the terminal and paste it. Run git push-u origin master. Now go to applico.com dashboard and click Add Application. Select Git provider GitHub. Give your app a name, select a repo, branch and a server. Click Create Application. Scroll down, click Add Database on the right. Select PostgreSQL and click Create Database. Wait for it to be deployed and get back to Application Overview. Click Add Processes. Click Add a Process. Process name must be web. Command Gunicorn app:/app-log-file --. Click Save and Deploy. Back to the app overview. When deployment is finished, click on Open App. Our Flask app is deployed. Back to the terminal, let's run a curl command to post a message. Message is posted. Let's see how it looks in the database. In the dashboard, find and click on your database. Click Show Credentials and scroll down. Here is the database URL. Copy it. I will use command line to connect to the database. \DT to display all tables. Select everything from the messages table. Here is the message that we submitted. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Deploy your app today with applico.com.